Welcome to Crewe Seat. Today we have a Seat Toledo 1 litre TSI Excellence finished in black magic. Features on the car include full LED headlamps and daytime running lights, front parking sensors and front fog lights. The car comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, with indicators built into the mirror housing. The car also benefits from having privacy glass and has parking sensors at the rear. Huge loading space with storage at the side, and being an Excellence model does benefit from having a full-size spare as well. Car seats 5 in total. Has Isofix as standard on the rear bench, and USB ports in the rear of the armrest. There's also keyless entry and push button start. 4 electric windows, electric heated mirrors, leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. The car's covered just over 10,700 miles. Has a large touchscreen media display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calls, satellite navigation and traffic updates. There's also digital climate control with USB port and 3.5mm auxiliary, 6-speed gearbox and armrest in the centre with a 12-volt power source. If you'd like any further information on this car or to book a test drive, please ask for Patrick here at Crewe Seat. The number is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.